हेलो बैंकर्स, वेरी वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। वेलकम बैक। सो आशा करते हैं आप सभी लोग काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे। सो गाइज, आज के इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन के अंदर हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं AFM मॉड्यूल ए यूनिट नंबर 9। ओके, सो विच इज ऑल अबाउट द operational aspect of accounting entries. So this unit was remain in our concept part as well, right? तो आज हम लोग इसको आपका सबसे पहले इसके जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, ठीक है। So basically, this unit is all around the debit and credit vouchers. So first, we will understand what is debit vouchers, what are credit vouchers, ठीक है, कौन कौन सी एंट्रीज इसमें आपका आती हैं. Then we will practice a set of question. ठीक है, so you can expect half marks to 1 marks question based on this particular unit, right? So let's start the discussion. So first, if you talk about the type of vouchers, ठीक है, so vouchers we use these particular one on our day-to-day banking system. So when a customer, they generally deposit money or they withdraw money from our bank, so we generally used to ask to fill for some form that is generally known as voucher. ठीक है, तो आपका कई बार जैसे अगर विड्रॉ करें तो आपका जो विड्रॉ फॉर्म होता है, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डेबिट वाउचर. और अगर डिपॉजिट कर रहे होते हैं तो आपका क्रेडिट वाउचर. ठीक है, सो दैट मीन्स इफ मनी कम्स इन, अगर हम लोगों के अकाउंट में या ब्रांच के अंदर पैसा आ रहा है, कस्टमर अपने अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट करें, एफडी ओपन करें, ठीक है, या कोई चालान आपका डिपॉजिट हो रहा है, सो दैट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ योर क्रेडिट वाउचर. और इफ मनी गोज आउट, ठीक है, अगर पैसा बाहर जा रहा है, कस्टमर are making requests to withdraw their FD or RD or say from saving account, current account, or like some check is issued by customers which is payable to some other banks and all. So that is generally known as debit voucher, right? So both debit and credit operations on all accounts, either by customer or by bank itself, are made by mean of vouchers. So we have majorly two vouchers. So when debit voucher is like when money goes out from our branch, and credit voucher is when money comes in to our branch. So first we will discuss a set of entries रिलेटेड टू अ डेबिट वाउचर्स. ठीक है, ये आपका जो जिनको आपको ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली फ्रॉम योर मैकमिलन बुक. सो अगर आप इनको याद रखेंगे तो आने वाले एग्जामिनेशन में हाफ मार्क्स आप अपना सिक्योर कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स हैव अ डिस्कशन वन बाय वन. सो डेबिट वाउचर्स आर ब्रॉडली आर फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, check issued by customer. ठीक है, so let's say there is one customer called Mr. X, ठीक है, who issue a check to some other party Y or B, जो किसी और बैंक का कस्टमर है ऑल. ठीक है, so that kind of like that means the money will go out from our branch, so that will be part of our debit voucher. ठीक है, और second one is a check or pay order issued by the bank itself. ठीक है, so on behalf of customers that is generally get issued by the bank itself. ठीक है, so again with आपका डेबिट वाउचर. विड्रॉल फॉर्म रिसीव फ्रॉम दी सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट. अपनी सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट से अगर वो फंड्स विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, इट कैन बी आपका जो डायरेक्ट आपका विड्रॉल है, या फिर मतलब जैसे कस्टमर आते हैं ना, लाइक दे विजिट योर ब्रांच एंड दे फिल द फॉर्म, तो दैट फॉर्म इज बेसिकली डेबिट. ठीक है, ड्राफ्ट इशूड बाय अदर ब्रांच of the bank payable at the branch. ठीक है, so there is one draft, ठीक है, डिमांड ड्राफ्ट और अदर्स. ठीक है, so which is payable at your branch. ठीक है, that means आप उसको पे करेंगे एंड दैट अमाउंट विल गो टू समवन एल्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द वन. ठीक है, फिफ्थ वन इज ड्राफ्ट इशूड बाय अदर बैंक ऑन द ब्रांच इन टर्म ऑफ एन अप्रूव अरेंजमेंट बिटवीन द टू बैंक्स. ठीक है, तो जहां पे आपका बैंक एज अ पे ही काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द वन. Dividend or interest warrant issued by bank customer and payable by the branch in term of an approved arrangement. Let's say you are handling XYZ company's account and they issue dividend to different customers throughout the country. So वो आपका कहीं ना कहीं you have to make that particular payment, so money will go out again. Travelers check issued by any branch of the bank which are presented to branch for payment. ठीक है, so कोई travelers check आपका जहाँ पे आया है. ठीक है, eighth one is draft or pay order issued by branch itself which are cancelled at request of the customer and amount is refunded to him, so that is the one. ठीक है, 9, instrument like traveler's check or gift check of other bank which are paid by the branch in term of an approved arrangement. 10th one is letter of authority signed by customer containing standing instructions, like it can be related to insurance premium, club charges and all. ठीक है. 11th one is debit voucher prepared by branch on its printed stationery which are authorized by designated official of the bank and may also carry authority from the customer in some cases if the debit to his account at the branch itself. Okay, so these are some major entries which are generally part of your debit voucher. So simply saying कि ये कुछ ऐसी लिस्ट ऑफ एंट्रीज हैं जिससे आपका पैसा आपके ब्रांच से क्या हो रहा है, बाहर जा रहा है. ठीक है. So we discuss all these particular one. Okay. So check issued by customer. Then we have check pay order, withdrawal form received, draft issued by other branches, draft issued by other bank on the branch. So that is the one. Apart from this, dividend interest warrant issued by the bank customers, traveler's check issued by any branch and payable at your branch, draft or pay order issued by the branch itself are cancelled, and term deposit receipt presented for payment renewal or premature. ठीक है. So term deposit receipt आपका जैसे like if there is a FD, so customer they are generally asking for the withdrawal or the premature for that particular one. ठीक है. So now similarly we have a list for credit vouchers eligible. ठीक है. तो अब credit vouchers के ऊपर आते हैं. ठीक है. So credit vouchers क्या क्या situation होती हैं, जैसे there is an application for FD account, RD account, or customers they are depositing saving like amounts in their saving accounts or current accounts, और any government चालान्स, और ऐसे बहुत सारे एंट्रीज आपका जहां पे आप बेसिकली रिसीव कर रहे होते हैं मनी को आपका ब्रांच. ठीक है. सो जैसे पे इन स्लिप फिल्ड बाय कस्टमर depositor as well borrowers for deposit of amount in their accounts, application for issue of term deposit, demand deposit, RTGS, NEFT, branch check, pay orders, gift check, traveler's check, and other similar instruments. So where you are going to receive the money or your branch is going to collect the money. Challan for deposit into the account of central or state government on account of direct or indirect taxes and others. ठीक है. तो जैसे होता है ना, like tax deposits आपके होते हैं, या let's say there is a company who come up with the recruitments and the challan is generally filled through your bank itself. ठीक है. तो ये जो ऐसे आपके फंड्स आप रिसीव करें बेसिकली वहां पे भी. ठीक है. क्रेडिट वाउचर प्रिपेयर बाय ब्रांच ऑन इट्स प्रिंटेड स्टेशनरी. ठीक है. आर ऑथराइज्ड बाय द ऑफिशियल एड्स, जैसे वहां पे डेबिट वाउचर थे, यहाँ पे क्रेडिट on payment of collection instrument from other branches of the bank itself. ठीक है. सो ये आपका कुछ क्रेडिट एंट्री साइड में आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. नाउ देखो बहुत ही आसान है, हाफ मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन रहता है, हाफ कई बार 1 मार्क्स में भी पहुंच जाता है, जहां पे वो आपको 4-5 स्टेटमेंट दे देगा और आपको बोलेगा कि कौन सा आपका डेबिट वाउचर है, कौन सा क्रेडिट वाउचर है. ठीक है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस इट इज हाफ मार्क्स क्वेश्चन ओनली. ठीक है. तो और बहुत आसानी से है, आप समझते हैं इन एंट्रीज को, तो ज्यादा एफर्ट्स भी नहीं लगाने पड़ेंगे. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, रिवाइज बिफोर एंटरिंग टू योर एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, so you will be able to answer these one. ठीक है. So let's practice a set of question. ठीक है. What is the main purpose of the using voucher system? ठीक है. So if you talk about the voucher system, ठीक है, so these are kind of a like we have these are generally are like we can say they are kind of proof for the transaction itself, right? तो अगर किसी कस्टमर ने विड्रॉ किया तो हम उसे विड्रॉ फॉर्म इसलिए जिससे हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर प्रूफ हो. ठीक है. विद सिग्नेचर एंड ऑल, या अगर डेबिट वाउचर है अदर्स. ठीक है. To record only cash transaction, to provide evidence for every business transaction, B should be right answer. To only record credit, no. So B will be right answer. So a voucher system is an internal control mechanism used to ensure that all transactions are properly authorized, recorded, and documented. Each transaction is supported by a voucher that serve as an evidence of the transaction and ensure that it is accurately recorded in the book itself. ठीक है. बहुत आसान है. ठीक है. डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट वाउचर. Which of the following transaction will require the use of debit voucher in a bank book? तो कौन से इनमें से कौन सा ट्रांजेक्शन आपका जहां पे डेबिट वाउचर का इस्तेमाल होगा. ठीक है. A check is issued by customer for payment to supplier. आपका Okay. Then we have a check is received from a customer for loan repayment. A saving account holder submit a withdrawal form. So in this particular case, we will be requiring debit voucher. Again, a payment is made by bank to settle an interbank liabilities. Again, so C should be right answer for this particular one. A withdrawal by saving account holders will require a debit voucher to record the decrease in the saving accounts balance and the outflow of the cash or fund as well. Okay. Next one, when a bank issue a draft payable at another branch, which of the following account will be debited in the bank book? So what will be your correct answer? Branch clearing account. Okay, so it should be part of yes. So branch clearing account, that means option B will be right answer for this one. Okay. So when a draft issued by another branch is payable at your branch, the clearing account or the interbranch transfer account is debited to reflect the payment and the interbranch transaction as well. Next one, in which of the following cases debit voucher be used by the bank? Okay, so again same type of question. Okay. A check is issued by the bank to a customer. A pay order is received by a bank. A customer deposited cash into their accounts. A check is issued by the customer to bank. Okay. A check is issued by the bank to customer. A pay order is received by the bank. Okay, so what should be your right answer for this one? Sorry, a check is issued by the customer to the bank. Debit voucher. Okay, a check. Okay, let's study this. When the customer issue a check to the bank, okay, debit voucher is used to record the payment, showing a decrease in the customer accounts. Okay, ठीक है. Which of the following would most likely require a debit voucher to be issued by bank? Again, same set of questions. A customer deposited money into saving account. A customer transfer fund between their own accounts. A bank issue draft payable to a third party. A customer withdraw funds from their current account. So option D should be right answer for this particular one. Rest are credit vouchers. Yes. So a withdrawal of funds from current accounts decrease the account balance, and the bank need to issue a debit voucher. Okay, next one. Which of the following is typically used a credit voucher in the bank? A check is issued to a third party. A customer deposit funds into their saving accounts using pay-in slip. A customer withdraw funds. A bank issue a demand draft. No. So B should be right answer for this one. Okay. So when a customer deposit money using pay-in slip, the bank credit the customer account, so it will be through the credit voucher, right? Next one, which of the following instrument required the use of credit voucher in the bank? So demand draft issued by the bank to a third party, no. Application for issue of term deposit, it can be. ठीक है. So आपका withdraw of cash by customer, no. Bank own check drawn on another branch. ठीक है. So in this particular case, basically what customer is doing, they are opening one FD account with your branch. ठीक है. So there is, this will be happen through the pay-in slip, right? So when a customer apply for term deposit, the bank credit the customer deposit accounts. So it will be through the debit voucher. Okay, credit voucher. Next one, which of the following transaction use the credit voucher for the recording a deposit into government accounts, deposit into government accounts? Okay, so challan and all. So a customer deposited cash into their saving account. A company transfer fund to a government for direct taxes. Yes. A customer withdraw funds. No. So option B will be right answer for this one. For deposit into government accounts like direct indirect taxes scheme, like public provident funds and all things, the transaction is recorded using a credit voucher where the relevant government account is credited and the customer account is debited. Next one. Okay, this is it. तो बहुत ही छोटा सा यूनिट आपका है. ठीक है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया हाफ मार्क्स से क्वेश्चन, और जो इनिशियल जो एरियाज हैं जिनको अगर आप ध्यान रखते हैं, सो यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग क्लियरली, और जो आने वाले एग्जामिनेशन में जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे उनको आप टैकल कर पाएंगे. बहुत आसान है. लाइक आप डे टू डे बेसिस पे जिन चीज़ों में डील करते हैं उन्हीं से रिलेटेड ये एरियाज आपके हैं. ठीक है. सो आपको इसको रिवाइज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जस्ट बिफोर, जैसे आपके एग्जामिनेशन के दौरान अगर आप एक बार इसको मतलब क्विकली रिवीजन करते हैं तो आप आसानी से इसको आपका समझ सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। सो नाउ दिस इज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। I'll see you tomorrow at same time with a new topic. So this is it. Bye bye. Take care all and all the very best for your preparation. Thank you.